Where are tea plantations found in India? Option A, Karnataka and Kerala. B, Kerala and Uttar Pradesh. C, Kerala and Assam. D, Assam and Tamil Nadu. Answer is option C, Kerala and Assam. The highest mountain peak in Uttarakhand is option A, Saramati. Option B, Kanchenjunga. Option C, Kanto. D, Nanda Devi. And the answer is option D, Nanda Devi. Which of the following rivers do not flow in the west? Option A, Godavari. B, Lent. C, Sabarmati. And D, Mahi. Answer is option A, Godavari. The final power to decide whether a particular bill is a money bill or not is vested with the following. Option A, Prime Minister of India. B, Vice President of India. C, Speaker of Lok Sabha. And D, Chairman Niti Aayog. And the answer is option C, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Kathakali is a classical dance form practiced in which state? Option A, Odisha. B, Tamil Nadu. C, Kerala. D, Manipur. And the answer is option C, Kerala. Who is the Speaker of the 18th Lok Sabha? Option A, Maneka Gandhi. Option B, Om Birla. Option C, Virendra Kumar. And option D, Kariya Munda. And the answer is option B, Om Birla. Which of the following leaders did not participate in the 1857 revolt? Option A, Rani Lakshmibai. B, Tandiya Topi. C, Kanwar Singh. And D, Wali Khan. And the answer is option D, Wali Khan. The Vedas, Upanishad, Puran, Dharma Sutra are written in which language? Option A, Sanskrit. B, Pali. C, Prakrit. And D, Hindi. And the answer is Sanskrit. In India, what percentage of total electricity produced is contributed by hydroelectricity? Option A, 29%. B, 19%. C, 31%. And D, 22%. And the answer is option D, 22%. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in the year option A, 1905. Option B, 1919. C, 1942. And D, 1900. Answer is option B, 1919. Awake, arise, stop not till the goal is reached. Uddishtada Jagrada Prapaya Varannibhodada is a slogan popularized by option A, Munshi Premchand. B, Mahatma Gandhi. C, Swami Vivekananda. And D, Dr. Abdul Kalam. And the answer is option C, Swami Vivekananda. Chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution of India was option A, Motilal Nehru. B, Mahatma Gandhi. C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. And the answer is option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Manas Tiger Reserve in India is in the state of option A, Madhya Pradesh. B, West Bengal. C, Assam. And D, Himachal Pradesh. And the answer is option C, Assam.